Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to discuss what causes furuncles. And stick around because I'm going to show you more from this furuncle in a moment. Furuncle is another word for a boil. Boils are bacterial infections of hair follicles that also involve the surrounding tissue. The infected hair follicle can be on any part of your body, not only your scalp. When the hair follicle becomes infected, it appears inflamed. The furuncle looks like a red, raised bump on your skin that is focused on a hair follicle. If it ruptures, cloudy fluid or pus drains out. They most commonly appear on the face, neck, thigh, and buttocks. So, what causes them? Bacteria typically cause a furuncle, the most common being staph, which is why the furuncles can also be called staph infections. Staph normally resides on some areas of the skin. Staph can cause an infection in situations where there are breaks in the skin, such as a cut or a scratch. Once the bacteria invade, your immune system tries to fight them. The boil is actually the result of your white blood cells working to eliminate the bacteria. You're more likely to develop a boil if your immune system is compromised, or if you have a medical condition that slows down the healing of your wounds. Diabetes and eczema, a chronic skin disorder characterized by extremely dry, itchy skin, are two examples of chronic conditions that may increase your risk of getting a staph infection. Your risk can also increase if you engage in close, personal contact with someone who already has a staph infection. If you enjoy educational videos such as this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications. We have new content every week. Hey folks, get rid of those blemishes like a pro with this 7-piece pimple popping kit. It has high-quality, full-size tools, a variety of specialized ends including a lancet, and a handy case for easy storage and travel. See the Amazon link below, it ships quickly from the USA.